Okay, so in this part of the video we're going to look at applying CSS. Now there's two ways that you may have to apply it. One is a background colour and the second one could be an image. So we're going to look at both of those. Right, now in the exam the CSS style may come in all different ways. It may come up as lists, or they may try and trick you by putting in two tables, one that has colours and one that has various bits and bobs that they want you to put in. So now this is just pretty standard, it's just a standard table, but as I said, all the exams, it's all completely different what they require you to do. So I'm going to look at now applying this background. So here they split it up into 3 bits, but they haven't told you what these parts mean. So this is body, this is the CSS style they want you to apply. This is the background, this is where they want you to apply it, and these are the colours that are in hexadecimal. So as you know from hexadecimal, any number after 9 is represented by a letter. So the highest value is 255, and 255 in hexadecimal is represented by FF. So they may ask you in some places to put in the maximum colour of red or the maximum colour of blue and so on. And in that case, you would put in 00. So if it was the maximum colour red, green would be 0, blue would be 0, and FF is the maximum colour. Now the maximum colour doesn't necessarily mean the darkest, it may mean the brightest. Okay? So anyway, let's apply this. So now, to apply CSS, we've got our document open. Okay, you may have it saved. And you go to New Style. And then you go to Background, because that's where we're working. And you apply the background colour here. So you enter the background colour. Now, we don't know what colour it is. So you may just want to go into all black, because black is represented by 00. And it's ordered this way, red, green, blue. But always look at your exam paper, because I have seen some exams where they've put them in a different order, because you're expected to know the order. But on expression, it's always red, green, blue. So now they want us to put FF for red, they want the maximum red, then they want the maximum green. And they want blue left at 0. You don't need to cut out a 0. 00 is still 0. Press OK, and it's coloured at yellow. Then you apply, and then you press OK, and your style appears here. But as you can see, I've made a mistake. Okay, now the mistake that I've made is I did not put it down as body, so I may need to modify that. So I'm going to change that. So if you click on your Manage Styles tabs, you should be able to right click, and you should be able to modify the style. And I'm going to select this now as body down here, and I'm going to go to background, and you can still see that the colours are there, and I'm going to press apply and OK, and you can see now that's changed. Please be careful of that, because if you do it wrong, obviously you're not going to get the mark for it. Right, I'm going to close this now and I'm not going to save it. So the next question I'm going to look at is images. Okay, so the next question we're looking at is we need to apply body, background, and tiled using the file J1431BG JPEG. Okay, so this is very easy. All you've got to do is attach it, and obviously it's going to come from the area where you're supposed to save your work. And in this instance, we're not saving any files in any particular place, but obviously in the exam, if it asks you to save your files in a certain way to a certain folder, that's what you do, because the path will appear. So I'm going to go down to Microsoft Expression Web. Now we go to New Style. And obviously you select body, and then you go to background, and you can see just underneath here it has a background image. So mine's gone straight to the website, so this is the image here, not the website, sorry, the area where my work's saved. So I'm picking my image up, press open, and then apply and OK, and now you can see that the CSS has appeared here, and this obviously would be the right answer for me, because this is where my files are saved. Okay, so that is background styles using CSS.